Ladies and gentlemen, this is Theo here, and welcome to Love of Theo. We are just cruising from Nyeri back to Nakuru, and I'm here with the big man mwenyewe.
Yo!
Yes.
This is Rob here. I do cab services and tours and travel. Today, because we're only two with Theo, we are doing a road trip. I forgot, this is Aberdare Country Club Lodge.
Country Club.
That road still going to where? Chaka. And then
Chakara. The famous Chakara.
Yes. And then ultimately going to the other town over there. Nanyuki, yes. Yes, so this is Rob over here. I do cab and tours and travels. Yesterday we were with Theo. We did a road trip.
Yes.
We didn't even go back home.
It was at night.
We are going back home right now. Tulitoka usiku. Hali ni hijack jam. So we had to do a road trip to wawili.
Yes.
So we couldn't do gari kubwa.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we are based in Nakuru. We do tours and travels.
Yes.
And also cab industry. We do 7-seaters whenever you want to go, anywhere you want to go, anytime, at affordable prices. Theo will be able to give you our numbers.
Yes.
Later, before we close this chapter. Yes, so that's
or even in the description section,
yes.
I'll put it there.
Yes,
so
yes.
which is
this is Muiga. This is Muiga. That is there's a hospital, Catholic hospital.
Oh.
It's a big one. Now this is Muiga. Yes.
This is awesome.
Yes. And I have a friend over here. I don't know. Maybe you can call her.
Hey, by the way,
let me see if we can call her. We have a friend over here. Can be able to call her to msalimie.
Yes.
Then we interview her
Kidogo.
It can be good.
Ama she's still sleeping. Today is a Monday. She must have
gone to work. Let me call.
Amboseli.
We're calling Millie from Muiga. I have friends all over. Every town I have a friend. Do you have friends all over?
You said how many counties? How many counties have you visited?
Just to name a few, I've been on the western side of
Let's say
Kenya.
This is the best thing. We have 47 counties.
Yes.
In Kenya. Huh?
Yes.
Now my question is, how many counties haven't you visited?
Maybe to name a few, I have not been to Marsabit. Marsabit is a county.
Yes, Marsabit.
Marsabit? I don't think. Wajir.
Yes.
Wajir is a county. Which other county is on the other side of the...
Isiolo, you have been there?
I have not gone to Isiolo. I'm planning, maybe you can do a road trip. I've not been to
Isiolo, Wajir, Mandera
I've not been there.
Garissa
I've not been there.
So
the northern part of Kenya, the only part I've never been is the northern part of Kenya. Central, Rift Valley, Western, Nyanza, Mombasa, Coast province I've been there. Yes, Nairobi I've been there.
Kiambu,
Machakos I've been there. Kiambu I've been there. Okay, fine. Maybe that's the northern part of Kenya. I think that's it.
What can I say? Me, maybe the northern side, I've never been there. Yeah. I've never been in Isiolo. This is my first time to be in
Nyeri, that is central.
Let's say the deeper central. Yeah. So I think we believe Nyeri is the deeper central because Kiambu is also central province. Yeah, but Nyeri is the deeper central, and I've not gone to Meru sides, Moranga sides. I've never been there. So
I've been there several times. Can you go back, turn back and...
So that means I've been along Nairobi. Let's say from Malaba, that highway from Malaba to Mombasa, I've been to all those counties or towards that stretch. Yep. I've never my farthest in the Tanzania side or the Namanga side. I've been. My last part is Kajiado. Coming back. I've been in the Nyanza side. I've been in Where did we go the other time? It's called Homa Bay.
Homa Bay, we've gone there.
Homa Bay. And then I've never been in Kitale. I've just gone to Kitale. I've not gone to the other part.
I have traversed Kitale.
It's called where? The Kapenguria.
Kapenguria, yeah.
I've never been there. I've never been to Pokot. I've never been to Turkana. Have you been to Turkana?
Turkana is not yet because it's the northern part.
Okay.
But another thing, I've been to Uganda.
Hey,
I've been to Uganda. I passed by the Busia border, lakini sikuenda sana. We did like 10 kilometers, then we came back.
So the Uganda part I've gone to up to it's called what? Kampala. But
I know
by
why.
then,
I know why. I know the reason.
But by then, I was not on YouTube yet.
I have a friend in Uganda. Maybe I can visit sometimes. And then I've been to. I don't remember where he comes from. I've been to Tanzania.
Tanzania.
Yes, I went to Tanzania. We did Arusha. We did Dodoma.
I've never been to Tanzania.
After Dodoma, we went all the way to Dar es Salaam. Oh, it was an awesome trip.
With this car?
No, another car. Another personal car for my family friend. I was dropping them there.
This lady?
Oh, she's not picking, so we just.
Can we do one more time? Maybe she was far away.
Okay, fine.
So
we're gonna call her one more time.
One more time.
And then now we can go. Maybe she's already at work. So I've been to maybe 3 countries: Kenya, of my motherland, Uganda, kidogo, and a lot of Tanzania because we traversed the entire Tanzania.
I've never been in Tanzania.
She's not picking, so
let's just go. So I think it's my dream with this YouTube channel. I go to Tanzania.
Of course.
Not even Tanzania. Just transversing Africa and the whole world.
Of course.
So help me God.
Yeah. Amen.
Yes. So this is car.
We just left Muiga.
Yes, we are leaving Muiga now. So awesome. The best thing with the central part of Kenya, every small town has a lot of activity and is beautiful. They've done a very wonderful job.
Despite the
very busy. Yes.
Small shops.
Yes.
Oh, here she is calling.
Oh, she's calling.
Hi, Melly.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm very fine.
Oh, tell me more.
I was just passing by Mwega and then I said, let me say hi.
Hi. See where? Okay.
You're already at work? You're already at work?
Hapana, niko kwa nyumba nafua.
Si nikusalimie niende?
Sawa basi.
Okay, coming.
Okay.
You know the house. We went and met Millie, but she was not ready to talk to us on camera. So we respected that and we decided to move on. And now we are moving out of this place and we are going back to Nakuru and we are heading to Kiawara, where we shall have a stopover and buy some onion. Okay, on the previous video, that is where we stopped. It's called Kiawara and we are moving towards that direction. Let's keep on moving. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the beautiful view of the central part of Kenya roads. That is from Nyeri to Nakuru. This is how the roads look like, and this is how the whole view, the environment, and everything is super beautiful. The weather is awesome and everything is on point. So ladies and gentlemen, I'll still give you videos of some of our discussions while we were in this trip. Make sure you get into Rob's YouTube channel. I'm giving a YouTube link down below, and also I'm giving you his contacts whenever you want to go to cruise in the whole of Kenya. You can just contact him. He's a very nice guy, very professional driver. He can take you anywhere you want. Very professional tour guider. So ladies and gentlemen, stick around. Make sure you need to travel, just holler him. He will be able to assist you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a wrap on my side. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video on the same road trip. I'm giving you nice conversations and nice adventure towards before we end this video. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Aluta continue. If you have not subscribed to this channel, this is your first time, make sure you hit that subscription button and life goes on. Thank you so much and God bless you. Bye bye.